Got a rusty cast iron pan? Let's fix it. Here's what you want the surface to look like after you've scrubbed it. See the difference? Using a stainless steel scouring pad, scrub all the rust off. Next, wash away any remaining rust and debris. Dry the surface thoroughly with a microfiber towel. Now, heat the pan until the remaining water evaporates. Check for any remaining rust. Here, I found some. Scrub those areas again until the rust is gone. Repeat the same process. Once it's completely dry again, check the entire surface one more time to make sure all the rust is gone. Lodge recommends canola or vegetable oil for seasoning. Apply a very light coat with a microfiber towel covering the entire surface. Wipe off any excess oil until the surface looks almost dry. Heat your oven to 450 degrees. Flip your cast iron upside down and place it in the oven. Now, set a timer for 1 hour. This is the result after the first coating of oil. I will repeat this process 2 more times and show you the final results. After the second coat, you can see that bronze color starting to come through. That's normal with fresh seasoning, and it'll gradually darken with regular use. And here's the skillet after the final coat. You can really see that bronze color coming through now. With normal cooking, it'll gradually darken and eventually develop that deep black, almost blue-black finish. Alright folks, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.